In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop others from editing Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a calendar without giving anyone the power to change your events. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. On the left side, look for the My Calendar section. This is where all the calendars you own or manage are listed. If you don't see your list, click My Calendars to expand it so everything is visible. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to control. You'll see an options icon appear next to its name, typically represented by 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to reveal a small menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the settings page specifically for that calendar where you can manage access and permissions. On the settings page, scroll until you find the section labeled Shared With. This is the place where you decide who can see your calendar and what they're allowed to do. If you're just setting this up, you might not see any people listed yet, and that's fine. Click Add People and Groups. In the box that appears, type the email address of the person or group you want to share the calendar with. This is useful when you want someone to see your schedule, but not make changes. After you enter the address, look at the permission dropdown right below it. From the permission options, select Viewer Only. This is the key choice that prevents others from editing your events. With Viewer Only, they can see what's on the calendar, but they can't move, delete, or add anything. If you've previously given someone edit access and want to lock it down, this is also where you change their permission to Viewer Only using the same dropdown next to their name. Once the permission is set to Viewer Only, click Send. The person will receive an email letting them know they've been granted access, and your changes take effect right away. There's no separate save button needed. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Double check that you're adjusting the right calendar if you have several similar ones, and remember that you can repeat these steps for any other calendar you want to protect. If someone still seems able to edit, make sure they don't also have access through a different shared calendar or a higher level permission elsewhere. That's it. You've successfully shared your Google Calendar while keeping editing rights to yourself.